All right, this is my new business sign. My wife stepped out and got it for me, surprised me. This is the new sign for Curtis D. Henry and Company LLC. We are a business that's building a future and a foundation of excellency.
Yeah, that's right.
Just because the love of this trade, the love of this kind of work, the passion that we have, that we bear with this. And right now we're working for Mr. Radford Homes, and we about to blow this house out.
That's right. Y'all heard it.
Looking totally different than what it looked next door.
That's right.
We're gonna bang it.
Hey, y'all, I'm telling you, if you looking for somebody that is prompt, says what he means, and actually follow it up with action, you need to call 850-284-2948 and ask for Curtis D. Henry and Company, LLC. Hey, he's the only person that's been knocking down Radford Homes, all right? So he got this whole house right here, y'all. He got this entire house, and he is going to work already. That's what he do, man. I appreciate this brother, man, because without him, there is no Radford Homes. I'm telling you, because you're only good as the help that you got. And this is the man that you need to contact. Don't be stealing them from me now, that's all right? But, hey, we share the love around here, so get at him. 850-284-2948. My main man, Kurt. He's a veteran, too, so salute all veterans.